loves, what is up? I am back with another video. If y'all can see me right now, I'm doing like that picture like Vogue thingy that they be doing. Anyways, I will be installing this wig. This wig is from Arabella Hair. This is their 22 Jerry curl texture, and this is a 13x4 pre-made wig. So as y'all can see, like, it's really big, and you can also see like the defined curls as well. So this hair is what I actually wore in Hawaii, and I wanted to wear this one because obviously it's like really big, and I don't know, it was just giving vacation vibes. So right now I'm just kind of measuring everything on the wig, like how it sits on my forehead and everything. There was a band on the wig, and I normally don't wear bands sewn on to frontal wigs just because I feel like it kind of pulls the lace back. So unless the lace is like perfectly positioned on my head and the band doesn't interfere with how it's laying, I'll let it rock. But in this case, it just wasn't working, and I did go ahead and just cut it off. As y'all can see, I got real annoyed. So for my trip, I'm going to be using the Hold Me Down adhesive, the Erica J glue. This glue is really good. It is very sticky, so when you're using this, you kind of just like want to hurry up and just smear it out. And y'all know I like to use my popsicle stick just because it's kind of mess free, and also it is very easy just to get everything nice, smooth, and flat, and just to spread it out. So I did go ahead and do, I think, about 4 coats of this glue because obviously Hawaii is extremely hot, and we need this lace to be secured for more than 3 days. Okay, I think I was there for 4 days, left on the 5th day, and my lace did really good. I feel like I only had to touch it up about 1 time, and that was because we went hiking, and we went to this place where, you know, we were walking. It was extremely hot, and it just, you know, obviously my lace lifted. But once I got back to the hotel, I kind of just like fixed it up and everything. But yeah, y'all will see that in the vlog. Are y'all excited for the vlog? I hope you are, because why not? Like, it's me in Hawaii. So yeah. So I believe this one is my 4th coat of glue, and I just do the little dots and then go ahead back in with the popsicle stick. Okay, boom. Now that that's done, we're gonna go in with our wig, and I am starting from the middle. First, I'm kind of like seeing how it's laying on my head without the band. As y'all can see, it's like extra space for the lace to move and just kind of be fitted. So it's not actually as tight with the band, which for some people, you know, it's a good thing. For me, I don't really like it. I just like to kind of freehand my wigs. Unless the band is working with me, I'll keep it on. But so I started from the middle and just kind of stretched the lace across my forehead. And as y'all can see, like right here, I was kind of getting a little bit annoyed because that left side was kind of not lifting, but, you know, like bubbling, which happens with lace, which is, you know, kind of to be expected. But I did go in and fix that a little bit afterwards. As y'all can see, you don't really see it anymore. So I went ahead and cut off the little air tabs. I tried to rip it off, so it wasn't working. So I just went in with the scissors. Then I'm going in with the eyebrow razor just to cut everything off. I like to use this instead of, you know, a scissors, mainly because the scissors is just a little bit more work, and the razor just makes everything a little bit easier. I don't know why I feel like my voice in this voiceover is like really raspy. I'm guessing it's because of the weather. It's been like on and off, hot and cold. Like today is cold. The last 3 days were boiling, scorching hot. So there's that. And as y'all can see right there where my finger was, where I was touching, I definitely cut a little bit too much off of the lace, but I figured I'll just cover that area off with, I'll cover that area up with some baby hair. And this side right here, I just went in and plucked some more because it wasn't as plucked as the middle of my my wig. And y'all know that I pluck while the wig is on my mannequin head, but you know, obviously I was just in a rush or something. So I just plucked the rest behind the hairline, and then I'll pull the hairline back over it and then go ahead and pluck some more. And as y'all can see, the other side definitely needed some plucking as well. So I did the same thing on that side. Alright, so now it is time for baby hair. So I just clipped my hair back and I parted some of the hairs out. And I used some of the wax stick on my hairline, and now I'm just going in with a hot comb to push everything back, just so that we can get an even more seamless look for our baby hairs. This side just always looks the best, and I don't know why. Is it this side? I don't know. But do y'all see that? Gotta zoom in. Do y'all see that? Yes, that looks so good. Then I just went back in to pluck some more behind the hairline, just because I felt like it just wasn't plucked enough, and we need everything to just look as natural as possible, especially when we're on vacation. That is a must. So guys, pluck as much as you need to, but do it gradually. Like, don't just pluck everything all at once. Like, you guys see how I'm doing? Then once I pluck, I push it back in the hair, see if I need to pluck some more. And that way I get like a better look of how everything is looking. So before I go ahead and do my baby hairs, I'm going to take some Got2b. This is the travel size. And I'm just spraying it behind the baby hairs just to secure that lace a little bit more. And then after that, I'm going to go in with my elastic band and just tie everything down. And my camera died after this, I believe. So I did allow this band to sit on my head for about 30 minutes until the battery was fully charged. And then I came back. So y'all know the melt. The melt was up to par. Okay, up to par. And this is after I took the elastic band out. And now it's time to go in for baby hairs. So one thing, when you're using the freeze spray and then you go in and tie it down, you're obviously going to have some extra residue on your baby hairs, but it's nothing a little alcohol can't fix, just to remove any of that residue. And obviously I just went back in to pluck a little bit more just because I wasn't happy with it. So I plucked until I felt comfortable. It was really this side. This side was giving me the most trouble. And I don't know why. But, yeah. It's okay to pluck while it's on your head. Just be careful because, you know, you can't really see that well. It's kind of different doing it on your head than when it's on a mannequin stand. So, just be careful. Look how big the hair is. Like, it's just so cute. So, right now, I'm just going in with my razor and we're going to cut our baby hairs. I was kind of going for like that big baby hair look, you know, with the very curly and they're not really laid. I was going for that until I realized like maybe that's just not my style. I don't know. I like it on other people, but probably not on me. So I did go in after cutting them. I went in with a curler iron, which you guys will see me use in a minute. And I did actually end up cutting my baby hairs a bit longer, as y'all can see. Like, they're long. They're not short baby hairs, which I don't know. It's kind of what I was going for. I didn't want them to be like super short and gelled down. I didn't want them to look hard, because hard baby hair is not the cutest all the time, especially with curly hair. I don't know. So at this point, I was just going in with my comb, and I'm kind of just like messing with the hair to see what type of shape I can get out of the baby hairs that are already curled. So I didn't want to do any of those opposite curly baby hairs where they curl away from your hairline. So I don't know. I was just kind of playing with everything just to see how it'll look before I went in with any product. I ain't gonna lie, using this hot comb is a little scary, okay? It's very scary, especially when you're using it on yourself. Like, I really felt like I was gonna burn myself. So for my baby hairs, I'm using something that I haven't used in my baby hairs in a very long time. And this is especially just to set my baby hairs. So I'm using the LUVS, the Nairobi foam, to do my baby hairs just to keep them soft looking. And I actually really love like the way this looks in the front. It's so cute, it's so fluffy, and it's actually curly. Like, it's not all one length. Like, you have some shorter pieces in there, and it just looks really cute to me. I really love it. And curling your baby hair just makes it easier for it to lay as well. See, like, it just went into the shape that I wanted it to without me actually having to use a lot of product. And everything just looks really nice. It looks very natural to me, and that's exactly the vibe I was going for. So now I'm going in with my Lotta Body mousse, and I really love this mousse. It smells so good. It has like coconut essential oil in it, and it just smells amazing. So I did go in with this all over. Instead of using like water and conditioner, I wanted my curls to be a little bit more defined once they dried. And yeah, I was actually also going for like a little free part. I didn't want to do a part because I just felt like the free parts were a little bit more versatile, and it just looked a little bit more effortless and way more natural when you can just flip your hair over to whatever side that you want. It just looked 10 times better. So that was definitely the look I was going for, and I definitely achieved it, okay? This looks really good, very nice, very natural, and yeah. This is just me going back into my baby hair, just fixing the little pieces, because your girl is a perfectionist. Can't be out here looking crazy at all, especially when you're a hairstylist. You have to be a walking product of your product, okay? So next I'm going in with the Design Essentials Avocado, I believe, the Defining Curls Cream. And I'm just massaging this into the hair. And actually, hair school actually put me onto this product. I went to Empire Beauty School, and they always had Design Essential products in there. And I would use this on natural curly hair, and it was amazing. So I just figured to pick this up for my curly hair as well, see if it did the same trick. And it did. You will feel like a little bit of residue, but for the most part, while I was on my trip, all I had to do was just wet it with a little bit of foam, and my curls came back. And yeah, you can still like feel the curl cream in the hair as well. So this is up close. I wanted to show y'all how the lace was looking, how everything was looking, how it just looks nice and fluffy, and everything is just working, y'all. Just look at the lace, look at the plucking technique. It's just giving natural hairline, okay? So this is just me, obviously just picking at the little areas of my baby hair, just making sure they're the way that I want them to be. But besides that, you guys, this is the completed video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, you know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section down below. And don't forget to subscribe to your girl's channel. And if y'all are ready for this Hawaii vlog, please leave a comment down below so that I can go ahead and drop that for y'all as soon as possible. Hawaii was so much fun. I had a blast, and I'm so excited to share the footage with you all. So if y'all are interested in seeing it, if you're ready to see it, you know what to do. Go ahead, leave a thumbs up as well as a comment. And before we go, today's motivational quote is, following God begins with knowing what His word says. You're on nobody's timing but God's. And I'm just showing you guys the length of the hair as well. This is where the 22 inches stopped on me. Before we go, I want to share a little prayer with you all. So it says, God, continue to prepare me for what I have been praying for. Amen. That simple prayer can do so much for your life. Take the time out to just make time for God, whether it's a simple conversation or, you know, just something that you have been desiring, anything that is on your heart. Just ask God for it and He will come through. If it's for you, it will happen. So with that being said, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.